Mobile work platforms are designed to be moved only when empty. This incident proves that without proper training and adherence to the rule of always clearing the scaffold before moving it, the structure becomes a dangerous mechanism that can cause a severe fall. Technicians are urged to follow strict safety protocols before performing any maintenance on electric water boilers. Always wear protective gear, turn off the boiler's electricity at the main breaker, and check the boiler safety valve to make sure it is there and working. Afterward, you must get all the pressure out. Here it appears this woman set up the ladder on the very edge of the roof where it could easily slip. She should have had the upper portion of the ladder a little over the roof's upper lip. This CCTV footage captures a dangerous load collapse where unsecured metal cages slid off a forklift. The accident occurred because the driver attempted to move a tall, unbound stack without proper securing. No one was reported to have sustained injuries in the incident. The failure to properly mark, barrier, or cover this massive hole, coupled with the two men not being aware of the danger right in front of them, turned a simple task into an unfortunate incident. This incident demonstrates that unsafe, unsecured storage, combined with concurrent work directly beneath unstable loads, is a recipe for cascading injury risk in any warehousing or storage operation. This video shows a routine job of towing a faulty car going terribly wrong due to operator negligence. The tow truck driver simply forgot to secure the front tires of the Mercedes onto the flatbed. A huge flame surged into the air after this man dropped the match he had used. The fire reached a trucker who was filling his truck with diesel just a few feet away. Luckily, no one was injured, with the petrol station attendant reacting within seconds by using a fire extinguisher to put out the blaze. This footage captures a scary moment inside a garage when a vehicle suddenly swerves into the workshop at high speed. The car, likely suffering a mechanical failure like a stuck gas pedal, becomes completely uncontrolled inside the confined space. During the dismantling of a water tower in China, a construction crane suddenly broke off, sending the top of the water tower and the machinery crashing to the ground. By proceeding in dangerously strong winds, the operator placed immense tension on the equipment, causing the tool rope to snap. Parasailing should never be conducted during strong winds or gusts, as it exceeds equipment safety limits and leaves participants at the mercy of the weather. This footage shows a forklift losing control on an incline. Accelerating rapidly in reverse, the vehicle gained dangerous momentum from the downward slope, reaching unsafe speeds almost instantly. Here is a building demolition where a planned collapse sent heavy debris flying with immense force. Because the workers failed to secure the perimeter or install safety fencing, the debris field reached an active public road where vehicles are passing. Heavy machinery operators must always know their vehicle's maximum height and be aware of all overhead utility lines. If the vehicle is energized, the safest action is to stay inside and call emergency services. If really forced to exit, you have to jump clear without touching the vehicle and ground simultaneously. These workers were using a front loader to lift and transport a large concrete beam. Due to a critical misjudgment by the driver, the loader moved forward and collided directly with a freshly built brick wall, causing it to instantly collapse. Fortunately, all individuals escaped any injury. This accident highlights the critical need for rigorous maintenance and inspection of all lifting equipment, especially freight elevators which frequently carry heavy loads. Regular testing of emergency brakes and safety interlocks is non-negotiable. Working near railways demands extreme caution, as train power lines carry extremely high voltage. All metal equipment like ladders must be kept well outside the minimum, safe clearance distance from the overhead wires. This video captures a scary accident where a car overturned and crashed into an active construction site following a reckless lane change. Fortunately, everyone involved suffered only minor injuries. Personnel must stay alert in active work areas at all times. They should continuously check their surroundings and assume heavy machinery cannot see them. Segregated pedestrian zones must be strictly followed to eliminate risk. This incident is a sobering reminder that all personnel must be aware of their surroundings. Working beneath high-tension lines requires extreme caution. The responsibility falls on the worker to maintain a safe clearance distance and avoid positioning themselves in the hazard zone. Operators of heavy equipment must be very vigilant of their blind spots, but ultimately smaller vehicles like scooters must never attempt to pass or squeeze by heavy construction machinery while it is in motion. Always assume you are invisible and keep a safe, wide distance. The failure of these pick and carry cranes was caused by a severe overload condition, combined with the cranes being positioned too far from the load's center of gravity. This big distance forced them to operate at an angle that instantly reduced their lifting capacity. The incident happened when a heavy trailer transporting a gigantic bridge girder attempted to climb onto a temporary access bridge. The trailer lost control on the temporary structure, causing the entire vehicle to overturn. Fortunately, nobody was injured. This sinkhole was a delayed result of underground water leakage from nearby pipes caused by nearby excavation and construction. This highlights the need for constant checks on the ground and structures during underground digging to prevent the road from suddenly failing. This is the moment a lorry crane used to make utility repairs crashed into an entry gate in the middle of the street, causing its heavy metal awning to fall onto the vehicle's cabin. A man was caught trying to make an illegal connection without using any safety equipment. He was seen on top of an electricity pole, apparently manipulating the wires with his bare hands. This video shows the failure of a storage tank that ruptured due to hydrostatic pressure. As the water inside rose, the pressure found the weak point, likely corrosion or a faulty weld, and the tank immediately burst. This incident is a critical reminder that no object, especially long and wet items like this bamboo stick, should ever be carried near or raised toward overhead power lines. You must always maintain a safe distance from energized lines. If you can touch them with an object, you are too close. This is a reminder to seafarers to exercise extreme caution around mooring lines. Snapback events when a tension line suddenly recoils can be extremely dangerous. Crews are urged to stay well clear of any lines under strain, as the sudden release of tension can cause the rope to whip back with immense force. As this artist was being raised onto the stage using a hydraulic elevator platform to begin his performance, the mechanism suddenly malfunctioned and the lift collapsed. While unloading goods, a worker threw a piece of mesh fabric to the ground to be moved later. The forklift operator mistakenly thought it had fallen by accident. When he stepped into the drop zone to retrieve it, the worker above, unaware the operator had moved, threw a second roll. This wall collapse highlights huge risks of neglecting facility maintenance and storage protocols. In any industrial environment, partition walls must be engineered to withstand accidental impacts and vibrations. Also, rest areas and workspaces must be protected by reinforced barriers and kept completely clear of heavy storage drop zones. This video captures a dangerous combination of poor work practices and lack of essential safety equipment while cutting a tree branch. The man was working at height without any fall protection like harness or lifeline, and without the ladder being secured, making the fall inevitable once the tree shook. This video captures a terrifying incident in a Philadelphia suburb where a driver miraculously walked away unharmed after a dead tree suddenly fell directly onto her SUV while she was stopped in Monday traffic. When working with tall equipment like cranes and metal poles near live wires, safety must be the priority. The best safety step is to call the electric company and turn the power off. If that cannot be done, workers must keep a large, safe distance between the crane, the pole, and the power lines. This video captures the moments when a planned demolition of an unauthorized building goes disastrously wrong. While the demolition was approved, the procedure resulted in the uncontrolled collapse of 5 other nearby structures, causing extensive collateral damage. This man was simply walking across when he stepped onto the slick surface of the solar panels. Without any warning, he lost his footing and began to slide uncontrollably. He tries his best to hold on as he slips off the edge, showing just how dangerous these surfaces can be if you aren't careful. A worker is operating a forklift on a small platform that is suspended high in the air by a crane. The entire platform swings backward instantly, creating a massive gap between the platform and the building. While the professional operator was absent, two inexperienced colleagues illegally climbed onto the excavator. One began driving while the other was hanging on the door when the machine suddenly overturned while moving in reverse. This video captures the moment a woman was using a concrete mixer at her home to build a pigsty. It appears the mixer suffered a critical malfunction, causing the body of the machine to become energized.